So I'm here. I've had to come to the doctors. Let's see what they say. So, I've been in. So, welcome back everybody. As I say, I've just been to the doctors. Severe viral infection. And he just said get this week over with and get back to work. But I'll be going back to work Saturday. Won't care. Anyway, got something new happening at the van this week. Hopefully somebody's going to put it down and help me with it, to be honest, because I am struggling still. As you can hear my voice, it's still gone. Hopefully it should be totally different to what I'm going to be doing. So I'm just going to have a walk round now with our race and get back. I'm going to pick my parcels up and then get back here again. Alright, Mark. So yeah, let's crack on. So the doctor said, basically, just get a little bit of exercise when I can, while I can. And that's what I'm doing. Oh God, it's cold. Very cold. Sun's out, but the wind, cold wind's with it. I'm just trying to look for something. Oh, lake's filled up as well. Look at that. Yeah, you see my previous videos, there wasn't much water in there, it drained down. But now, absolutely brilliant, it's filled up. I'm going to have a walk back this way because I want to see what I'm doing to our decking. I want to see if somebody else has done it to theirs, which apparently somebody has done it to theirs. The police sirens or ambulances, what I can hear. Oh, let's have a look. Yeah, it's here. Let's hopefully get ours sorted out. I'm going to go around this way for a different walk. Looks nice, doesn't it? It looks nice sunny day. It is sunny, but there's a bit of wind and a bit of chill with it. So hopefully our good friend's in as well in a minute. And he's going to be helping me on another project I've got as well. You're going to see me installing something on the van, which I think it'll look different. And also, I'm going to be installing a dash cam. And a dash cam is unique. Honest to God, it's unique. It's basically looks like it's been factory fitted on OEM-style. Do you know, like it's come direct from the factory. So front and rear dash cam it is. It's not like the ones what you think. It's worth watching, honestly. It's absolutely been brilliant. I can't believe how good it is. So it is something what you should hit that little bell for and keep an eye out for that. Should be absolutely brilliant. So I'm all excited basically to do this thing what I want to do on the van, and to put that dash cam in. I cannot wait, because the reviews it's had, I mean, people say why have a dash cam in your car? Well, do you know what? There's people who we know, or we all know, and something's happened to them and somebody's drove off, and then you've got no, people say, well, say it's my fault. Well, if it's your fault, it's your fault, isn't it? But if it's not your fault, you've got evidence there to say that it wasn't your fault by having a dash cam. Well, we've done something totally different at the van. We've, how can I say, made it feel a little bit brighter than usual. So I'm just going to show you outside first, and then I'm going to show you the inside. So let's see if you can notice it from here. Let me just get a spot where you can't really see it. So there you go. This is what we've done at the van. So like Christmassy, innit? But it's not. We're going to keep these the rope lights. I'm going to show you exactly what they look like and how good it makes it feel. 3 people seen them and 3 people want them now. So we just put the rope lights along the bottom. So no anti-flicker on this camera. So yeah. So just done all that. What do you think? Totally different. Lights it up at night. All down here. And then because I've had these, Jan's saying now she wants them around the back of here as well. So yeah, difference. A little bit of difference. Inside looking out. It's different, isn't it? Yes, we put Christmas tree up at the van as well. So yeah, more than happy with it. And we've bought somewhere else for the van as well, which I'm going to show you and explain to you in a minute. Obviously, these are going to stay up permanently on the floor. And then when the Christmas lights come down, like I said, looking from this way. And we've also done somewhere else as well. Well, I'm in the process of doing somewhere else. It's a little bit more difficult to do this other thing, but it's what Jan wants. And hopefully, now she's saying, because she's seen the lights on the front like that, she wants them here in the back as well. So that's another set to go here. So we'll have to get some of them. So yeah, so once that's done, it'll look like that. But you can dim these a little bit more. You can make them brighter blue. It's like a whitey blue. Let me just go and get the remote and I can show you what they're like. So that's that one. And then obviously you've got, let's have a look, remote. There's a remote with it. So let's just see this one. That's even brighter. Down the side. It's even brighter. And then obviously you can do that colour. Still bright, and then obviously you can turn them down a little bit, and then obviously there's this one, which that's what Jan likes at the minute because it goes with the lights, Christmas lights. Just turn them down, and that's how it is. Do you like them or do you not like them? It's not for everybody, but we've had 3 people come round, and I think out of them 3 people, 2 people are ordering them. So the other thing we've got for her, I'm going to show you when I do that. That is going to be absolutely brilliant for her. So she's had a mirror put on the wall, which the old one come off. There was a mirror in there. That's come off. And now this one is, you can change colours with it. Off, on. Well, different light settings. So that's another thing what she's had done. Because she's always wanted something where she's got a light. I did buy her one, but now she wants it like this. So it's a little bit different.